Hey guys, in today's call, you're going to see a part of me that I'm the kind of person that sometimes relates with animals better than I do people. And in today's video, I go back to a property where I knew there was a problem and I tried to inadvertently do something about it by letting some people know about it. I went back to the property knowing that I might find what I found, and this time I could not just walk away. I'll show you. Stay tuned. I think y'all may have just heard a dog in the back. This is a place where we'll see. Hey, I've come and check on this air conditioning. Knock, knock. What's it been doing?
It just blowing in the inside, but it ain't getting cool.
Ain't
The unit off in the back.
the unit's off in the back.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna be in and out checking things out. Okay.
Then. Yes, sir.
Your landlord never did nothing about these windows.
No, sir.
It looks empty. I'm gonna check things outside, okay? All right, this is the part that y'all see these windows? There's no way an air conditioner can work. This is the part that I'm dreading right here. Oh my God, that breaks my heart. He's in there living in his own crap, no food or water. There's another one. Oh my God, it's hard to focus on my job when I see something like this. Okay, now some of that I was inadvertently recording, but I called the police on this. In Albany, all we have is animal control or the police, and like animal control is not really working today. I mean, it's the Saturday before Easter, so I called their number. The call went to like a dispatcher, and I told them I was willing to stay here. I can't live with leaving that dog like that again. That's the second time I've seen it, and right now I don't give a crap about their air conditioner. That bothers me a lot. That animal call that I made?
Oh, you called?
Yeah,
Oh, where is?
it's in the back.
Oh, okay.
Um, I know it's a little bit risky for me to be here when you check on him, but this dog is in terrible shape.
I mean, we really can't do too much about the dogs. That's more of an animal control thing.
Well, what can we do?
Um,
Is there anything we can do?
Today, with it being a holiday, probably not. To be honest with
Is there anything legally I can do? Can I take the dog with me or something?
you, didn't know who the dog belongs to.
Apparently, these people that live here,
Do they want the dog? I mean, if they give it to you, then yeah, but you can't just take their dog.
uh, uh,
Yeah.
well, let me ask you, is there another option like Monday? Can I call somebody about this? Is there somebody I can call?
Yeah, and I also made a note for animal control to come out
Okay.
just in case.
Okay, the dog is in the back in a cage.
Okay.
I've got video. I can send you videos. I can send you pictures. Would that help?
Um, sure.
All right.
I'm gonna give him a call Monday too, just in
Okay.
case. Cause
It's bad. It's real bad. You'll see in the pictures.
okay.
Um, Normally I don't stick my nose in other people's business, but man, I can't just walk away from this.
I understand.
All right.
Yeah, just
Okay, the officer that initially responded pulled in the driveway and was going to leave without making contact or nothing. That's not a good neighborhood, and I know that they don't like to respond to any calls out there, and I didn't really want the police to come out, but there was no other option. Talked to him, and I sent him pictures, and he sent them to a sergeant, and then they both came back, him and the sergeant, spoke to the person living there, checked on the animal, and basically just said, hey, you gotta take better care of your animal. But they documented everything, and they're gonna make sure that animal control goes by every once in a while and pays a visit. And what they told me was, if the situation don't improve, today's visit can turn into an animal cruelty charge. I'm not trying to get people arrested. I care about the animal. That's why I called. There is no sense in having an animal, if you're going to lock him in a cage, don't give him food and water, and make him sleep in his own crap. I'm sorry if people don't like that. That's just the truth. Thanks for watching.